Hello everyone, let us discuss some of the basic definitions and notations related to a simple curve. So in this slide the figure which is given and some of the notations and definitions are given. The first one is back tangent and forward tangent. So in the figure this is the back tangent and this is the forward tangent, and this is the simple curve. So always a curve which is provided between two tangents, that is back tangent and the forward tangent. So back tangent means the tangent AT1 previous to the curve is called the back tangent or first tangent. AT1 is the back tangent previous to the curve is called as first tangent or back tangent. So forward tangent means the tangent T to B following the curve is called the forward tangent or second tangent. So it is called as forward tangent. Therefore a simple curve which is introduced between two tangents, that is back tangent and the forward tangent. The next one is point of intersection. It is called as PI. If the tangent AT1 and BT2 are produced, they will meet at a point called the point of intersection. It is also called as vertex V. So this is the point of intersection PI, or we can call it as a V also. So AT1 and BT2 are produced, which is extended, and that will meet at a point is called as point of intersection. Next one, point of curve. The notation is PC. Point of curve, that is PC. It is the beginning point T1 of a curve. So this is the beginning point of the curve. So from this point onwards the curve starts. So this is the tangent, this is the straight line. So from this point, that is from the point T1, the curve starts. Therefore it is called as point of curve. At this point the alignment changes from a tangent to a curve. Yes. So till this point it is a tangent, it is a straight line. From this point to it will changes from tangent to a curve. Point of tangency PT. So this is the point of tangency. The notation is PT or T2. The end point of curve T2 is called the point of tangency. So this particular curve which will end at a particular point, it is called as point of tangency, and from this point onwards this is the straight line. Therefore a simple curve which is introduced between the two straights. The next one is intersection angle phi. The angle AVB between tangent AV and tangent VB is called intersection angle. AV and VB. AV and VB. So the angle between these two lines is called as intersection angle phi. So it is given here phi. This one is phi. The next one is deflection angle, that is delta. The angle at point of intersection between the tangent AV produced and VB is called the deflection angle. The tangent AV produced, the AV, this is the line AV produced, and VB. So this angle is called as deflection angle delta. So next definition is tangent distance. It is the distance between PC to PI, PC to PI, or PI to PT. It is given here. So that distance is called as tangent distance. The distance between PC to PI, point of curve to point of intersection, is called tangent distance, and it is also the distance between point of intersection and point of tangency. The next one is a normal chord. What it means: a chord between two successive regular stations on a curve is called normal chord. Normally the length of normal chord is one chain, that is 20 meter. While setting out a curve in the field, we have to take a chord between two successive stations, and that chord will be of 20 meter. So subchord will be less than the normal chord, so that may be at the starting or end of the curve. So the chord shorter than normal chord is called the subchord, less than 20 meter. Versed chord: the distance between midpoint of long chord D, this point, and the apex point C, is called versed sign, or it is also called as midordinate M. So this is called midordinate. So this distance is the midordinate. Next one is right hand curve. If the curve deflects to the right of the direction of the progress of survey, it is called the right hand curve. If it turns to the right side, then it is called right hand curve. Left hand curve: if the curve deflects to the left of the direction of the progress of survey, it is called left hand curve. External distance E. It is the distance from the midpoint of the curve to point of intersection. It is also called the apex distance. So this is the apex distance in the figure, that is distance from the midpoint of the curve. So midpoint of this curve is C here, and to the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection, and this distance is called the apex distance or external distance E. Next one is length of curve. So this is the length of curve. It is the total length of the curve from PC to PT. Point of curve to the point of tangency is called as length of curve, the total length of the curve. The last one, long chord. It is chord joining PC to PT. The line joining the point of curve to the point of tangency is called as long chord. So T1, T2 is the long chord. So these are the some basic definitions and its notations related to simple curves. Thank you.